Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern and this is a reverse rectangle triangle pattern, and in this pattern numbers are repeated in each row in repeatedly constant way. So we used nested for loop to understand this pattern. Firstly, we declare two variables that are used for nested for loop. So we declare I and j variable, and I variable is used for outer for loop and j variable is used for inner for loop. And firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we takes three parameter. Firstly, we initialize variables. So firstly we initialize I equals to 1 and check condition if I less than equals to 5, and I increment to 1, and inside this outer for loop we create another loop that is called inner for loop. And in this inner for loop we also take three parameter. Firstly we initialize variable, so we initialize j variable equals to 5 and check condition if j greater than equals to I and j decrement to 1. And inside this inner for loop we print I variable of outer for loop, because this is a row wise pattern. So always when we have a row wise pattern we always print the outer loop variable. So we print I variable using printf function, and outside this inner for loop we used \n for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line. So when you compile this program, there is no error and successfully compiled. And when you run the program, the accurate output is shown as below. So I hope you understand. And if you like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi. And thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, any concern related to this pattern, any query, you can text me in the comment section. Thank you.
I know one